What up, YouTube? Thank you for watching. Kind of shaky. It's all right. A little shaky. Just chilling on my bed, grinding, making these videos for you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching Kyrie FX. This is going to be lesson 9. And in this video, I will explain what indicators are. All right. Very powerful. This is not something that you necessarily need to take notes of. You can, though. Maybe you should, just to know what indicators are when you hear the term again. But with majority of these videos, please have a notebook out just in case you need to jot down some information. All right, let's get into it. I'm gonna share my screen. Go to Trading View. The last video I showed you how to create a Trading View account. All right, there we go. But what are indicators? Indicators are pretty much tools that you would use to identify what signal or what trade idea you should take. So pretty much these lines I use them as indicators, as tools to help me figure out what's going to happen. Like this blue line here, look how it wrapped around these candlestick patterns and then it just bounced back up after it was selling going down. This would be a key tool to let me know, okay, it's respecting this blue line. I could look for a buy. And then understanding candlestick patterns will be very helpful as well. And also understanding support and resistance, these blue lines right here, adds another strong factor to placing a trade. So just keep that in mind. But there's multiple indicators. I'm going to delete these lines. I know what they are, so I can easily put them back. But I want to show you there's different types of indicators. For example, RSI, Relative Strength Index. Boom. This will show like if the market's overbought, oversold. As you can see, like it's oversold down here. And if you look directly up, it started buying. All right. As you look up here, it's very simple. Overbought. So look, overbought, started selling. Now in Forex, there's no such thing as overbought or oversold. It's not stocks. But in this case, as a tool, we would just use that term, oversold, overbought, just to have an idea. See, it is overbought here in this area. If you go up, it started selling. It didn't go drastically down, but as you see, you could look for a quick sell. And the same case here, it started selling because it was overbought. It started selling. All right. Now this is on the lower end, so it might not be completely oversold, but you can see it's on the lower end, so you can expect that it might go for a buy. And as you see, it's on the lower end, and it started buying. So boom, boom. That's an indicator you can use. They have MACD. MACD is more for like momentum. What is that? What's the arrows? MACD strategy. Oh, I don't know what that is. All short, long, short, gross. Yeah, I don't know what kind of tool that is. How do I get rid of that? I don't want it. I don't want it. MACD. I don't want that. Delete that. Settings. Delete that. Oh, MACD strategy. Gone. I don't want you. All right. But like here, this is like momentum. This is buying. I believe. I forgot exactly the purpose of these. I believe it's called a histogram. I think the more it's selling, the more momentum it is. Yes, yes. When it's smaller, not much is happening. As you see, when it's smaller, not much is happening. But then when it gets bigger, big things happen. Like here, the momentum, it got bigger and bigger and bigger because they just started buying like crazy. The momentum was bigger. It was small, so when the momentum, the volume is small, expect for something big to happen. As you see here, see it was small, so expect something big to happen. And then with these lines, when you see it cross, that's another signal. Like that's another signal. Like cross is potentially gonna buy. Now it crossed here, but as you see, it didn't buy until around this area. But this cross here will let you know, okay, I should look for a buy. And since these histogram, I believe that's what it's called. I could be wrong. All right, I could be wrong, but I understand how to use this tool. See how the volume's small here, and then it started to get bigger and bigger. Now that it's green, it's buying. And when it's red, it's selling. It's green, it's buying. Red, selling. Green, buying. Red, selling. See how that works? And then the blue line, across, boom, look for a buy. The cross here going down, look for a sell. Especially when it crosses. When it crosses in the middle too, that could also be a signal as well. Like, all right, it's in the uptrend. Or okay, it's in this side now. Now it's in the downtrend. Oh, it crossed here. Now it could be in a short uptrend, and it's still on the upper side. So look, it's on the uptrend still. Let's see it on the downside. All right, as it may continue to be on the downside. No, it's just been going on an uptrend. Look, if you look, majority of the time, the lines are on top. So look, as you see, it's going up. And I'm saying a bunch of stuff that you probably don't know as a beginner, but I'm giving you an idea what indicators are. They're pretty much tools to help you trade, pretty much. You figure out what indicators are best for you. Yeah, Bollinger Bands, all right? Let me put that in, Bollinger Bands, all right? It's like a little range to let you know, all right, it touched here, maybe I should buy. It's way up here, so I should probably sell to go my goal here. You know, it's just another tool. You pretty much find out what tool you like best, what strategy works best for you. And that's why trading is so cool, because there's so many different tools, so many different ways to trade. Bollinger Band, boom, it reached out here, it hit that resistance, boom. Like there's so much. But I don't really like using crazy indicators. The stochastic is nice, honestly. I like stochastic. MACD. I mean, it don't matter. The EMAs itself, they do enough for me. I don't need anything else. I just look at the EMAs and price action. The red, blue, and yellow lines you saw. That's all I need, because I understand what's happening with the counter patterns and all of that. And sometimes, you know, looking at MACD or RSI or the stochastic, it could throw you off. Let me show you what this stochastic is. Stochastic. Look, it's similar to the RSI, but look, it's like MACD as well. You see crosses, so it's like an extra signal. It's just oversold. Oh, a cross. So let me know. Okay, buy. It crossed, but it went back up, and it crossed again, went back down. As you see, it didn't even go much of a downtrend. That's why. You know, I don't really rely on indicators, because indicators are not 100%. They're not 100%. If they were, a lot of people would be making money off indicators. That's why I don't rely on it a lot, because it could confuse you at moments. It can. But this is just what indicators are, pretty much tools to help you identify what's going to happen within the market, next move or whatever. And that should be self-explanatory, guys. If you like this video, if you're learning a lot of valuable information, comment down below. Let me know that you're learning a lot. Tell me that I'm doing a great job, because your feedback is just as important. I'm making this video to help you guys out, and your feedback is truly important. Any questions you may have, you know, I have a list of what to put on this beginner course videos, but maybe you want something else that might be useful for you as well as other newcomers on this channel. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. My Instagram is @KyrieFX, same as this channel name. Email wealthyboo99@gmail.com if you want to contact me. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.